Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed adverb definition and kinds of adverbs. Now today we discuss position of adverbs. That is very important topic. Position of adverb means exactly meaning of position of adverbs is that where we placed proper adverbs. Clear? Means where we place adverbs in proper order. Clear? So that we discuss today. Okay, part 3rd of adverb chapter. Clear? So note down everyone in your notebook position of adverbs. First point is what? Adverbs that modify adjectives or other adverbs. Okay, जो कि एडजेक्टिव्स को भी मॉडिफाई करते हैं और अदर एडवर्ब्स को भी मॉडिफाई करते हैं, आर प्लेस्ड बिफोर दी एडजेक्टिव्स और एडवर्ब्स दे मॉडिफाई. उनके पहले लगेंगे जिनको उन्होंने मॉडिफाई किया है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस. दे वर totally disappointed. They were totally They were totally disappointed with the result. So this totally disappointed describe means adverbs that modify, that totally disappointed modify the adjectives or adverbs. You have done quite well. You have done quite well. So what is this? This quite well is what? This is adjectives or adverb. Clear? Next example. That's a fairly good remark. That's a fairly good remark. So what is this? Adjective or adverb? Clear? Fairly and good, quite and well, totally and disappointed. So these are what they adverbs and modify. They modify the adjectives and adverbs. Clear? So this you all understand. This is the first point of position of adverbs. Clear? Now, our second point, next point is second point is adverb of manner, place and time placed after the verb. After the verb. Listen again. Adverb of manner, place, time placed after the verb. ये कब आता है? आफ्टर द वर्ब. ओके, दिस प्लेस्ड आफ्टर द वर्ब. एंड इफ देयर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, they are placed after the object. If object is given in a sentence, then they are placed, adverbs are placed after the object. Clear? Any doubt? Adverb of manner, place and time placed after the verb. किसके बाद लगता है? After the verb. If there is an object, अगर object है तो they are placed after the object. तो ये कब लगेंगे? After the object. So this is the second point. Let's see the example. The soldiers fought bravely. The soldiers fought bravely. Okay, so verb and this is our adverb. So after the verb, clear, ये verb है और इसके बाद हमने adverb लगाया है, तो पहले क्या आया adverb, sorry verb and after that adverb. Clear? So next, he is coming tomorrow. He is coming tomorrow. So this is what? Adverb of time. And this is what? This is verb. Clear? This is verb and this is adverb of time according to the definition, means according to the point. Next example, see. She is going away. Going away. So going is what? This is verb and away is what? This is adverb. Clear? Next. So this is the adverb of manner, place and time placed after the verb if there is an object. We see the example. First verb come and after the verb adverb we put adverb. First verb, then tomorrow, after then going and then away. So these are the position of adverbs. These are the different position of adverbs. Clear? So everyone note down these position of adverbs in proper manner in your fair notebook. Clear? Now, our next point, write down. If there are two adverbs in same sentence, if there are two adverbs in same sentence, the usual manner, usual order is what? Manner, then place, then time. So what will happen? अगर इस यूजुअल ऑर्डर में एक ही सेंटेंस में दो एडवर्ब्स आती हैं, मीन्स इन वन सेंटेंस टू एडवर्ब्स कम, देन सी द एग्जाम्पल. शी वेंट देयर एट वंस. So these two adverbs come. Okay, now she sang beautifully. She sang beautifully. She sang beautifully at the function yesterday. At the function yesterday. So see, yesterday is also adverb and this beautifully is also adverb. So two adverbs come in one sentence. Okay. तो बेटा in what manner, किस मैनर में आनी चाहिए, ये बताया कि यूजुअल ऑर्डर में आनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट मैनर कम, आफ्टर देन प्लेस कम एंड आफ्टर देन टाइम कम. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल राइट डाउन. Rosie arrives. Rosie always arrives. Rosie always arrives at a school after 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Clear? Rosie always arrives at school before 8 a.m. Sorry, not after 8, before. Now see, always is also manner. Clear? Always is manner. Place is what? At school. Place is at school and before it. Now what I want to say that if two adverbs come in one sentence, so that their usual order is what? तो उनका जो ऑर्डर होना चाहिए वो किस ऑर्डर में होनी चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैनर कम लाइक दिस ऑलवेज, आफ्टर दैट प्लेस कम लाइक दिस स्कूल, आफ्टर दैट टाइम कम लाइक दिस बिफोर 8 AM. तो इस मैनर में एक सेंटेंस में दो एडवर्ब्स हो सकती है, नो डाउट. क्लियर? आई थिंक दिस पोजिशन इज ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ our fourth position next. This is also very good chapter and very easy chapter also. If you want to if you try to understand, then you easily understand. Now next point is frequency. Adverb of frequency like often, sometimes. क्या क्या आता है एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी में? ऑफन, समटाइम्स, सेल्डम, नेवर, ऑलवेज, नेवर, ऑलवेज, एवर, etc. etc. are placed before the verb. This is also very easy. Adverb of frequency are placed before the verb. Now adverb of frequency consists often, sometimes, seldom, never, always, ever. Clear? If these type of words come in a sentence, then they are placed before the verb. ये सब verb से पहले आएंगे. Clear? They are placed before the verb. Understand? These all words are placed before the verb. Now let's see the example of this also. I often go to the gym. Go to the gym. Now see, often is what? Adverb of frequency. Often is what? Adverb of frequency. And go is verb. This is what? This is verb. Go is verb. Understand? Means adverb of frequency put means are placed before the verb. तो हमने verb के पहले लगाया. I often go to the gym. So often is what? Adverb of frequency. And go is what? This is called verb. Clear? Next. She usually she usually stays indoors on holidays. Clear? So usually and stays, this is verb and this is our adverb of frequency. Simple, no doubt. Rosie always goes to school by car. Now see, always is what? Always is adverb of frequency. And goes is what? Goes is verb. तो आया पहले means adverb put before the verb. Clear? Another example, write down. Rohit never tells a lie. So tells is what? Verb. And never is what? Adverb. So these all positions are very, very important. So you all note down in your fair notebook. Clear? Now this position clear. Often put before verb. Usually put before verb. Always put before verb. And never put before verb. Tells. Clear? So this position is also complete. Now next position. Now Next is when the verb is a form to be, अगर to be की फॉर्म में होगी, if to be, so the adverb comes after it, the adverb comes after it. अगर to be की फॉर्म में कोई वर्ब है तो एडवर्ब उसके बाद आएगा, एडवर्ब कम आफ्टर इट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट राइट डाउन एग्जाम्पल, सी एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस. रोजी is seldom present after is. Okay, seldom come. Next, the bus is often crowded. So is crowded. is को हम to be की फॉर्म बोलते हैं. Okay, is called to be form. Okay, they are, is, am, are. Okay, they are always helpful. So this a after are always come. So this is our another position of adverb. Clear? I think this all understand. This position also clear. Next, adverbs are placed after auxiliary in future, continuous and perfect tenses, like for example, she will never do it again. She will never do it again. She will never do it again. Never is what? Never is adverb, and will is what? Will is future. Will is what? Will is future. Clear? Next, the children are always playing. The children are always playing. So always is what? Always is adverb, and this is what? This is continuous. This is what? This is continuous. Clear? I have always trusted you. I have always trusted you. Always is what? Always is adverb, and have is perfect tense. Clear? So, see, first example is based on future, second example is based on continuous, and third one example is based on our perfect tenses. So, this is our another position of adverbs. Clear? Now, the adverb enough is placed after the word modified. After the word modified. Clear? Example, you are young. You are young enough to do this. means first we modify the word, after that we use our enough word. Clear? The room is large enough. The room is large enough for a small party. For a small party. Sorry, small party. So first word modify, after that we use our word enough. Clear? Enough is clear. Next, another position write down. Adverbs. Adverbs like only, nearly, not, never. Not and never are generally placed before the words they modify. Before the words they modify. Clear? Example write down. He came home only for a few days. Only for a few days. So, adverbs like only, nearly, not and never are generally placed before the words they modify. Okay? Next example write down. We are all not happy. We are all not happy. We are all not happy with the program. Clear? So this is the another position of adverb. Clear? Now next position of adverbs we discuss in another class. Okay? So for today, for this class, these are enough because you all confused in all position. Now 2 more position is left. Okay? So 2 more position we discuss in another class. Okay? So up to here you all note down in your fair notebook. Clear? Everything you all note down in your fair notebook and try to understand all types of positions. Clear? Now thank you and have a nice day.